Hello everyone. My name is Jack Street and today I'll be talking about drone. So, what is drone? A drone is a vehicle that is capable of flight without requiring a human to be on board is a drone. Drones can be flown remotely by humans or may be capable of flying autonomously. Um, So while drones are initially developed for serving the armed forces for defense and war purposes, today drones are helping multiple industries in some life-changing applications. Here we could discuss some of the uses of drones that can mitigate our daily life problems to provide us a better life. In short, drone is also known as unnamed unmanned aerial vehicle. It is an aircraft without human pilot, which ranges from air navigation and navigation type of simple recreational type category. So, what are drones made of? Some of the integral parts of drone are discussed below. So, I'll be going through it one by one. First is electronic speed controller. So that controls speed of each motor that is required for a drone. Next is flight controller. It acts as the brain of the drone. Next is GPS module, used to keep the track on the location of the drone. Next is antenna. Antennas and receivers are used to transmit and receive information from other systems. I'm sure many of you know what is antenna. And camera, mainly used in surveillance and security drones to capture images and videos. Accelerometer, it keeps a track on the speed of the drone. Altimeter, the device measures the altitude to which a drone has been raised. Sensors, barometer measures the air pressure. Gyroscopes, helping to maintain balance. So these forms the basic components in a commercial drone. However, drones can be customized in a number of ways, thereby including many more components and sensors. Who uses drones? So drones are used by now it's used by almost everyone, starting from kids to adults and um, military, farmers, and so on. So farmers uses drones to monitor livestock on vast spreads of land. So if they have a huge land and they can't keep an eye on the animals, so they use drones to look after the livestock. The fire department they uses drones to track and map wildfires, like on the forest, in the forest or neighborhood where it's hard to keep an eye on. So drones are a very easy way to track those places. Private companies can use drones to monitor their infrastructure, such as pipelines, buildings, and so on. And militaries use drones too. Drones have assumed actually military is one of the reason why drone was invented. Drone have assumed a leading role in counterterrorism and counterinsurgency and are projected to be of growing importance in future military operations. Their low cost makes them expendable and ideal for highly dangerous or politically sensitive missions. So why and when are they using drones? They're using drones serving variety of purposes such as recreational photography, commercial, military, the two basic functions of flight and navigation. So to achieve flight, drones consist of power source such as battery fuel, rotors, propellers, and frame. Uh, for instance, most people and uses drones to click photograph when they're traveling, especially higher places and where people can't reach. So uh, instead of taking risk, they use drones. And next, we'll be talking about how to apply drones to help solve issues to sustainable development goals. So I have gone through this topic several times, and this is one of my favorite topic because I've learned a lot through researching on this topic about drones, big data, 5G, and all that. So today I'll be talking about ideas that I have that we can use, how we can use drones to manage different sectors or areas, how it can help sustainable development goals. So drones offer innovative ways of managing resources and water and offer exciting opportunities to address key challenges in agriculture. Flying drones are being used for sustainable management of arable crops, where they can take detailed photos and identify the optimal use of irrigation and fertilizers. There are several benefits that drones have brought to the field of sustainability, like, for example, education, weather, the wildlife, poverty, health, and so on. It goes on. Um, but drones, I would suggest for drones to be more of a use in fields like where it can help countries that are really behind and very poor and have and is suffering from uh, poverty. Even though there are certain ways how drones have been very effective in meeting those needs, but I think it can be used to help even more if we are coming up with ideas and innovative ideas to reach those people and teach them how to use drones so they can use that to uh, improve their field and crops and find out locations where they can actually uh, be able to grow more crops. And I think that's one way we can help those countries that are so behind. um, I hope you all enjoyed studying about drones, and thank you very much.